Right, so we're doing some inequalities here. We're all over the place, but we're trying to get it together. So we have the inequalities here that we're trying to graph, that we are going to graph. The first thing they want us to do is find x is greater than or equal to 0. If I tell you, find for me all the numbers that are higher than 5. So you need to know what number is 5, right? And then you'll know the numbers higher than 5. So you'll have 5 and then you know 6, 7, 8, etc., right? So they want the numbers greater than or equal. So this equal means that 0 is included as well. So they want the numbers greater than or equal to 0. So therefore, we need to know where is the line x is equal to 0. So we will know what is greater than 0. So in order for us to find what is greater than 0, we need to know where the line is actually equal to 0. You're with me? Yes? No?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Right. So this is why we went to find the line x is equal to 0. And we know x is equal to 0 is we look for 0 on the x-axis and we run a vertical line, which is this line here. Now, where is the line x is greater than or equal to 0? We know that on the right-hand side of this line, all our numbers on the x-axis is greater than 0 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we go on the left, we'll have less than 0. So that's why we stayed on the right hand. Everybody's with me?
Yeah.
So the entire right side of the graph represents x is greater than 0, every single part. Because on the right of 0, are the numbers greater than 0. The same way, if we had a number line, and we have 0, -1, -2, and we have 1, 2, 3, x greater than or equal to 0 will be on this side. Right, same concept. So the second one we're going to do now is find y is greater than 0. So if we're finding y is greater than 0, what we need to know first? Y is greater than or equal to 0.
Where the 0 is on the y line.
So we need to know y is equal to 0. Very good. So where is the y equal to 0 line now? I'm going to change my color. Where is that line? Y is equal to 0. So again, we look for 0 on the y-axis. So we look for 0 on the y-axis, which is here, right? And we make a horizontal line at that point. Everybody with me?
Yeah.
All right, and now we want y is greater than or equal to 0. So where are we going? Up or down?
Up.
All the way up. Everybody with me?
Yeah.
Any questions while I'm shading?
No.
So we have two regions.
Wait, hold on. Why is shading on the left-hand side?
Because all the numbers on top is positive.
Right.
You're all mixing up the negatives for the different axes. That is why. So all the number on top of this line here, it had something about erasing pen just now. Where that went? Vanishing pen. Right. This is the y is equal to 0 line. All the numbers above this is greater than 0. That's why we shade the entire thing. You all with me?
Yeah.
All right, so where are we now?
3.
X plus y is less than or equal to 10. So remember, we have that line already because we plotted that line earlier. Where is the x plus y equal to 10 line? This one, right?
Yeah.
All right. So they want x plus y is less than or equal to 10. So this was so we know that we have to find the x plus y equal to 10 line, because in order for us to find if it's greater than or less than the line, we need to find the line itself. So x plus y equal to 10 is this line. So where would that line be? Where would the region be for less than that line? Above the line or beneath the line?
Below.
Correct. So now we're shading this way. Who's with me? Who's still with me? Who's still with me? The rest of y'all not with me? So just going out on a stretch and extending the line here, right? Everybody with me?
Yeah.
So we're going all the way down below this line here. We're not really concerned about if it's crossing another line or not. We just know we're going all the way down. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so we finished with our line. And now they want x is greater than or equal to y. X is greater than or equal to y. So which line we need to look for in this one?
X.
X equal y.
X equal to y line. Which is, we have that line already, right? This line here, yeah?
Yeah.
So where is the line x is greater than or equal to y on this line? Which side of the line? On top going up or at the bottom going down? X is greater than y. On which side of the line is x greater?
On the
Upward.
right side.
Up.
Up?
Up on the next side.
All right, so let's see. Let's see. What's the coordinate here? What's its coordinate?
Where?
This. The
5
blue.
by 0.
5
by 0.
5 by 0.
5 and 0, sorry.
All right. 5 and 0. Is that 5
This
and
is
0?
0 and 5.
Grand
Thank
5.
you. Very good. 0 and 5. So x and then y, you will lose marks if you don't pay attention to those things. So 0 and 5, the x first. So what is the next? What's the next? Give me a next coordinate here. What coordinate is this?
Three.
I'll take
One.
it.
Looking like 3.
So remember, it's every 2 to 1, right? So 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 and 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody with me? 3 and 5, because remember, every 2 blocks is 1 down here. So 3 and 5. So, okay, I have these 2 now. What is the coordinate of this?
5 and 0.
What's the coordinate of this?
6 and 1.
8.
That's not 6, yeah.
8 and 3.
6, 7, 8. 8 and about 3, yeah. Very good. 8 and 3. So which one of these coordinates, set of coordinates, represents x greater than 0? X greater than y, sorry.
The second set.
These, because the x values are bigger than the y values here. The x values are smaller than the y values. So which side we shading?
The right hand side.
The right hand side. Everybody
Yeah,
with
one
me?
more time, please.
Everything, like the coordinates too?
No, we now see.
Right.
X equal to.
So remember, we're looking at the line x is greater than or equal to y, right?
Yeah.
So that means our X value should be bigger than our Y values. This is our X, this is our Y, this is our X, this is our Y. X, Y, X, Y. And the X is larger than our Y's here.
Yep.
Yeah. But in this one, the X is smaller than our Y. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we're shading this side of the graph. Everybody with me?
Yeah.
So all below here actually, yeah. All right, so now that we did all that, all those 4 different inequalities, they said on the same grid, shade the region which satisfy the 4 inequalities. Which part of our graph? 4 parts, all 4 parts intersect. All 4 parts shaded.
5 and 5.
So I don't think it will end up as 1 point. It will end up as a region. Where all 4 parts were shaded.
So the top right hand side.
Inside here?
And let's see where you're pointing at.
Oh, sorry.
Wouldn't it be the triangle?
Plenty triangles. Which one?
From 0
0. So
Yeah.
yeah, we know that this is one of the points.
Yeah.
to 10 and then to 5.
So 0 inside of here.
Yes, 10
Yeah,
and then 5.
inside of here as well.
And 5, 5.
And top here. Correct. This is your shaded region where all of the points were inside of here. Just to recap it, the first one was where? The first line was X is greater than 0, which came across here, right? From 0, we went right. Yeah?
Yeah.
You're with me? So from 0, we went right. Then we had Y is greater than 0. So this, we went up here now.
Yeah.
Then we had X plus Y is less than 10. So we came down here now from this line. And then we had X was greater than Y and it was down on this side. So only in this small triangle here were all the 4 regions. And that's our answer there. So it's not going to take you this long, the more familiar you get with, you know. So the first part was drawing your 2 lines. And then for 2 marks, all they really wanted you to say, well, oh, X is greater than 0. They know that you're just going to go whoosh. Y is greater than 0, whoosh. X plus Y is less than 0, whoosh. X is greater than Y, whoosh. And then that's your 2 marks there. Do we have any questions on that?
No.
And all of these are little explanations that you're going to just flow with eventually, the more you practice. So this is what we would say is a linear programming question, where you find the common region between different inequalities.